$5 daiquiri at the ice bar. $5 shots. Here. Looking good tonight. $5, $5. Their prices are good. $5 12-ounce daiquiri. Coors Light and Pacifico, $5. 32-ounce daiquiri, $17. It's pretty good prices. I wonder if everything in there is on sale. I think they won that last game, so it was 3 games. They won 3 games. So that merchandise should be really hot. It's just the real sign that they took from the street out there. They snuck it in here one night. Nobody even noticed until they went out there the next day, and the sign out there said, "Welcome to Alabama." Here's one of those shops that don't tell you anything about the price. They don't have prices on anything. You pick it up, you put it at the cash register, you pay what they say, and you get the hell out of there. If you don't like it, don't come back. So suddenly you have spent $8 more than you expected. But you know what? You don't go back in there. And you know what? They don't care. All those shops are meant for one-time customers, like the airport. Why would you do a review on an airport restaurant when you're never gonna go back? This Mexican restaurant does really well. It's crowded all the time, and they have live music. See that guy right there? He's about to go off. And I mean, he's going to absolutely ruin someone's dinner. I'm just kidding. He's going to make someone really happy. And that's Mark Wahlberg's place right there. He's not in there. He's out making movies. This pizza place right here, grab a slice. They've got great prices. So think about it. It's between Luxor and Mandalay Bay. So if you're ever in Luxor or Mandalay Bay, don't give up on cheap food, because all you gotta do is walk right through here. Supreme slice, $7.95. Cheese is $6.45. Uh-oh, that might be pineapple over there. I'm going to have to remove my recommendation. And I'm going to have to call the police. See who I can get arrested. I hate it's that girl. She's probably got children. God, why did they do that? See, look at these prices. 2 slices and a beer, $20. 2 premium slices and a beer, $23. I just go with the slices and then sit at a slot table in Luxor and eat it while you get a free beer from the lady coming around.